Hello, innovative thinkers. Myself, Dhaval Patel, owner and founder of Technovet Solution. Today, I'm going to show you a demo of Technovet Helpdesk CRM, Helpdesk software. So, how you can manage your after-sales support and tickets, and you can automate all these things, and you can easily manage all your tickets, complaints, and you can resolve it as soon as possible. Track everything, and you can make your customer happy, right? So for that, let us just directly jump into the help desk. Here you can create your multiple teams whatever you have in your business. Let's say for example I have created two teams, team 1 and team 2. Now in each and every team you can mention who are the members of this team. Let's say in team 1 I have mentioned Joe and admin and Mark. So these three are my team members. We will handle team 1 like this. I can add the team member of each and every. Now I'm just moving into how we can create the leads. So for creation of leads we have multiple options. The first one is you can create the lead to create your tickets manually. The second option is you can integrate it. We have an API for that, so I will give we will give you the API. You can pass on this API to your website person, and that can integrate. So whatever, suppose you have your website and you have kept a support page where your customer can just log in and add their complaints. So by adding their complaints, it will automatically redirect it to our helpdesk software and will create in a new stage, right? We can even take your tickets through incoming emails if you are raising emails on filling up the form on in your website. So that is also possible. The another option is if you are using a IVR, or if you want to use the IVR, we do have the IVR system. So you can purchase the IVR from ourselves, and we will give you IVR number, and your customers can just call on that number, and they can talk to your person, and they can register their complaints, and that complaints will be automatically created in our software. So these are all are the multiple ways by which you can raise the ticket. Now whenever you raise the ticket, let us see what are the fields we have available. The first one is you can raise the complaint. Let's say I have a motor issue in my elevator. I have a business of, let's say, elevator. So I can mention the complaint that this is my complaint. I have a motor issue in elevator, so my elevator is right now not working. I can mention which product this error is. If I'm giving the warranty, I can just select the warranty from my available warranties, and on filling up this warranty, selecting this warranty, it will automatically fill the product, the customer name, the mobile, its email ID, and its warranty status. You can see if I'll change the warranty from here, it will change the person and its warranty status and start date and end date, everything, right? So like this you can use this for your warranty purpose as well. You can create the warranty in our system. To create the warranty, you can just go back and go into the warranty module. Here you can mention only warranty. This is the warranty number, this is the product in which you assign the warranty, these are the customers, these are the number of services you have completed. Let's see, or let's open any warranty. So in that you can mention the product in which you have given the warranty, the customer to which you have given the warranty, who has purchased this product from you, its warranty start date and end date, and the user which has generated this warranty, and the number of quantity he has purchased from you, and the installation date of the product. You can also mention, if you are giving some free services, you can mention that, yeah, I'm giving, let's say, 3 free services in a 1 year of warranty period. So what happens if I'll mention 3 over here, and if I'll mention the next service date over here, my software will automatically create a ticket for this particular warranty for this particular customer, that this is a time to give a free service, and it will be removed from here. Like my one service is over, so now it will becomes two free services, and once this all this free services is over, it will not create any more automated services. So like this you can also manage everything automated in our software. Now let us again jump into our ticket management system. It's our help desk. uh, Now we'll again go back to our ticket fields. The next stage is once my ticket is created, every information is created, like which product is there, which is the warranty number, is there, it is in the warranty or not, the customer, his mobile number, his email ID, its warranty start and end date, and its current warranty status, whether it's in warranty or not, right? Other than this, you can mention what is exactly the issue is, how much its priority, what kind of category it is. You can create your category by your own. For example, I have just created two categories, that is preventive and corrective. You can create your own by your wish, as per your business, whatever you have in your business. Other than that, you can also create multiple tags, like here I have mentioned motor burned issues, stop working, gas problem, burning problem, heating issue, room cleaning. So like this, you can also create multiple tags as per your business over here, and you can assign that concern tag to any ticket, so you can get to know that these are the exact issue we are facing in this ticket. What is the source of the ticket, that you can also mention over here. You can add detailed description over here, that what exactly the issue is facing by the customer. You can also attach some document if you want, image or something. If your customer sent you some image, you can attach over here, so your service person can get to know that okay, this is the exact issue, and he can find out the proper solution as soon as possible, right? After that, our next concern is, once my ticket is created by any source, let's say automated through IVR or website or email or manually, my next concern is I should assign the ticket to the concerned team and concerned person. Here also we have an automated system. You can create your own rule as per your business, that if I'll get this kind of tickets or this kind of complaints, let's say for preventive I have a separate team, and for corrective I have a separate team. Or let's say if I get particular this kind of issue, motor burned issue, I have a separate person, or another issue, let's say heating issue, then a separate person. So like that, you can classify these things. Or if you have a round, if you want to use the round robin method, like any preventive issues will be assigned to the preventive team, and it will be equally distributed in the team members, right? First ticket to the first person, second to the second, and third to the third, again fourth to the first person. So like that, it will equally distribute. So all the system we do have, so you can automatically assign the tickets to the concerned team, concerned person. Now we do have one more facility over here is, once the ticket is assigned to any person, what he will do is he will simply call the customer, and he will just mention the log. So for that, he can just simply log the notes over here, what he has responded. Let's say he is busy, so I have mentioned it over here, he is busy, I have logged the activity, so it is noted over here. Next, what I can do is, let's say he has told me that please call me on Monday morning 11 o'clock. So I can schedule my activity for Monday morning over here. I can select the activity over here, what I need to do and when I need to do, let's say on Monday. So in Monday morning it will be and what exactly this call is. So this is for primary call. So it will help me to identify what I need to actually talk in this call. And whenever I schedule this call, so here my call is scheduled, it is due in 2 days. So after 2 days, it will give me a reminder that okay, now this is the time to call this person and take these tickets to the further, right? So like this, your each and every person will get a notification for each and every planned activities, and he can plan their work accordingly, so he cannot forget any task by them. And your each and every customer can get a personalized contact. Now what other facilities we do have is, you can classify your tickets in multiple stages, like new or in progress, it's waiting for parts, and these stages you can define by your own as per your business flow. Where you can decide is, here we have a configuration ticket stages. Here you can create a new, you can rename any existing by simply changing the name. And one more facility is, you in each and every stage you can also set a email template, like whenever any ticket is created in this particular stage, I will send this particular email, and I can set every information over here, that what kind of mail this should be, right? So this mail will automatically send to the customer. Now whenever I change the stage of, let's say, any ticket from new to in progress, right? So whatever the mail I have set in this particular stage, in progress email, that will be automatically sent to this customer deco edit. So my customer will get to know the progress of my each and every ticket raised by them. And this message you can send by email, by SMS, and by WhatsApp also. For SMS you need to purchase our WhatsApp our SMS packs, and for WhatsApp you need to purchase as a WhatsApp API from ours, right? So you can do this by your own. Our next is you can get to know what is the exact status of each and every tickets. And once this ticket is completed, you can just simply move it to done. And here also we do have one more facility, like if you want to raise a happy code, or let's say a OTP kind of messages to the customer, and my salesperson or my service person cannot close my any ticket without asking for that number from the client. So what happens, that will restrict that my each and every ticket will be closed only and only when my customer is happy with the services, and my complaint is actually genuinely resolved. So it will increase the happy ratio of my client, and it will definitely help my business to grow better, and will increase my sales as well, right? So this is the general overview. If you have any query related to this module, you can contact us, our team. Now let us go and move to help desk mode, dashboard. So here you can see multiple reports, like how many tickets I have, how many new tickets, how many tickets is in progress, awaiting tickets, completed tickets. So like this you can classify it even by stage in a single view, like I have 2 tickets in waiting for part, and 8 completed and 2 new. You can see these reports by multiple date filters, like for today or this month or this quarter. So it will help you to analyze your data, your service team performance. You can see it by person-wise activity, person-wise tickets pending. You can see it category-wise pending tickets, like for preventive I have 50% and corrective I have 50%, so it's in ratio. You can see a priority-wise tickets. You can see team-wise tickets, sources-wise tickets, like how many tickets is raised by phone or by email or by website. And like this also you can also manage it by tag-wise. So whatever the complaint you mentioned, like stop working, there is one complaint. For burning I have one complaint, and for motor burned I have one complaint. So you can get to know which is the major issue is arising in my business, and which is the major complaint from my most of the customers. And if I'll resolve that particular issue, it will reduce my tickets, it will reduce the burden of my help desk team, and it will also increase the customer satisfaction ratio of yours. So it will also help you to improve your business and for complete analytics. And this is not the end, my friend. This is just a overview. We do have multiple features. You can also manage your sales, your inventory. You can integrate your ticket with everyone. You can also raise the ticket from your CRM. We do have many products, multiple facilities. So for detailed conversation, you can contact your salesperson, contact our sales team, or salesperson will guide you, and it will help you how you can implement this system in your business, and how you can automate your all the departments, like from sales to services, right? Thank you very much for your precious time. Goodbye, have a nice day.